Hi everyone! Naimbag nga malam, kumusta kayon? It's Ilocano time again, and for our video, let's learn how to say I'm going to, or I'm going in, I'm here at, or I'm here in, and I went to, or I went in Ilocano. Let's start. In Ilocano, if you wanna say I'm going to, or I'm going in, Mapanak diay, Mapanak diay, Mapanak diay, and then you say the place. Mapanak diay dentista if you're going to the dentist, or for example, you're going to your doctor. Mapanak diay doktor, Mapanak diay naimbag nga malam, mapanak diay dentista tatta. If you're with someone and you wanna say, we're going to, Mapan kami diay, Mapan kami diay, and then you say the place. For example, if you wanna say, we're going to the mall, Mapan kami diay mall, or we're going to the dentist, Mapan kami diay dentista, Mapan kami diay to say I'm here in, or I'm here at Adadtoyak, 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 and then you say the place. Adadtoyak mall, I'm here at the mall, or I'm here in the restroom. Adadtoyak banyo, banyo, restroom. Adadtoyak if you're not alone, you have someone with you, you wanna say, we're here at Adadtoy kami, Adadtoy kami, and then the place. We're here in the garden, or Adadtoy kami garden, Adadtoy kami garden, or we're here at the mall, Adadtoy kami mall. For example, the situation is you're with someone or you're alone, and you're on your way, and someone told you to call them back once you're at the mall, and after a few minutes you arrive at the mall, and then you call them back and you wanna say, we're here now, Adadtoy kamin, Adadtoy kamin, Adadtoy kamin, or if you're alone, you say, Adadtoyakon, Adadtoyakon, Adad, dad, toy, akon, Adadtoyakon. Mas may tag. Adadtoy kamin, Adadtoy kamin 99 cents. And last one, you wanna say, I went to, or we went to. If you wanna say, I went to the mall, Napanak diay mall, Napanak diay, and then you say the place, Napanak diay mall. Or if you went to the dentist, Napanak diay dentista, or from the doctor, Napanak diay doktor. And we went to, Napan kami diay, Napan kami, Napan kami diay park or Napan kami diay dentista. Napan kami diay doktor. That's it for this video and good evening or naimbag nga rabii, naimbag nga aldaw or good day to all of you. Bye!